Hey folks, welcome to Regular Guy DIY.
Wait. What are you doing, man?
What are you talking about?
Well, I just think that they're going to be a little confused if they see your face instead of mine, and they're not going to recognize you. And
Oh, come
like,
on, man. How many subscribers do you have?
good point. This is my brother-in-law, Sean, and today we're going to assemble a custom butcher block high-top table, and I'm going to share 2 key shortcuts that will help create the finished product. So, let's go! Do-it-yourself can mean a lot of things, whether it's creating something from scratch or repurposing an existing item. Today's project has 2 key elements that can easily be assembled to create a well-crafted custom piece of furniture. The first element is butcher block countertop left over from our kitchen makeover series. If you haven't seen it, check out the link at the end of this video. The second element are these superbly crafted metal table legs that are produced by my friends at Symmetry Hardware. Now, you may say, that's not fair, Jeff, you're cheating by having someone else produce the product. And I would say to you, you're absolutely right. Although I don't think of it as cheating. I mean, most DIYers probably aren't mixing their own paint or chopping down a tree for lumber. And it is important to decide for yourself where to draw your own boundaries and determine the best value for yourself in terms of time and money. Now, I could have taken time to learn welding and spent hundreds of dollars on equipment. However, the quality of craftsmanship, the wide array of options, and the value of Symmetry Hardware's products made this an easy choice for me. You'll find their link in the comments section below. Please tell them I sent you. It won't save you any money, but they'll know your YouTube channel choices are awesome. To keep up with my latest DIY projects, tips, and product reviews, mash that subscribe button now and ring the bell so you don't miss out on my latest content. Let's get started. To create the tabletop, I'm using leftover butcher block countertops from our kitchen project, but the options are virtually endless. You could repurpose salvage lumber or an antique door, pour a concrete top, or custom cut sheet lumber and finish it as you desire. We wanted the table to be as square as possible, so we arranged the 2 pieces as such and joined them with wooden dowels and a strong wood glue. It's not strong enough for tabletop dancing, but it will suffice for dining. Since the table will be outside, we finished it with a waterproof sealant that will also provide UV protection against fading. After allowing the finish to dry overnight, we inverted the tabletop and laid out the legs where we wanted to place them. We marked the bolt locations, moved the table legs aside, and then carefully pre-drilled the holes. As you can see, we used painter's tape to mark the bits so that we'd be careful not to go through the table surface. Then we repositioned the legs and attached them with the supplied mounting hardware. Because of his sheer brute strength, Sean broke one of the bolts when we were installing it, but no worries, we had a spare, so we pre-drilled a hole next to it and then installed another bolt. Now it's time to turn it upright and see what we think. The final step was to measure the lower support, which also serves as a footrest, make a quick cut, mark the bolt locations, pre-drill the holes, then install the 4 remaining bolts. And thanks to some adult supervision, the table turned out beautifully. What do you think, Bird?
I like it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the video performance on YouTube so others can see it too. I'm going to give a fist bump to my subscribers. To keep up with my latest DIY projects, tips, and product reviews, mash that subscribe button now and ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks again for watching Regular Guy DIY. You got this.